Hello everyone, welcome to part 11. Today we will learn how to create the shape of the bird. So as you can see here we have a bird. So for that let's zoom it by pressing Alt and pinching in, and as you can see this body of a bird is formed with the help of two rectangles and few circles. Let me show you how we can do that. So for this kind of a design we need to make use of this, which is called shape builder tool. First of all, let me design the shape. So let me just take this everything and drag it to the top so that in future I can use it, and let me group it by pressing Ctrl G. So once you are done with this, let me just build this shape. So for that let me draw a rectangle of maybe this size. Let me fill the, so by selecting this object you can go to eyedrop tool, you can select the color and the color is, and again let me drag it, press Alt and drag it, press Shift, place it over here. Let me click it and go to the edge and you will see the mouse cursor has been, let's press Shift and drag it to 270 degree. Let me overlay, and as you can see the shape. So furthermore let me just so on zooming in we can see that we have some gap, and gap can be maintained by pressing Ctrl Y on your keyboard, and Ctrl Y will just outline mode, and by zooming it further we can arrange it and make it perfectly aligned together. As you can see it has been perfectly aligned. Now again Ctrl Y, by pressing Ctrl Y I can go to original object state, and after that let me just pull it above, and let me just pull it aside. After that what we can do is we can build this kind of a shape. For that I need to select this object, and as I already told you, by pressing A you will be getting this symbol, and I don't want it to be curved in every section. By double clicking here you can see my object has been shaped into a cylindrical shape, but I don't want that to happen. Rather let me try this specific point and drag it, so this helps only to curve this particular point. So let me select or else what I can do, I can press A on my keyboard and select these two coordinate and drag these two, the shape of the bird head will be formed. And after that in this section we curve this line. So for that what I can do is I can select the object, I can triple click it, and I can drag it so that the shape will be formed. And for because this shape has been formed, because I have another rectangle over here, I can again double click this one, and drag it like this, and the shape will be formed. And furthermore for this section here also I have a little bit curve. For that I need to drag it over here, somewhere here, and the shape will be formed. And after that by this object, by selecting this body of a bird and by pressing V on your keyboard, or I can go to the shape builder tool and I can simply drag it with single object. And here we can see we have two coordinate. I think here is any problem. So by doing this, the body of the bird is okay. That's it for this video. See you on the next video.